Welcome to HGI Group International, guys. If you have the dream, we have the vehicle. This is where we're going to talk about the HGI business opportunity presentation. Today, we're going to talk to you about what is new and what is in store for you. Just to give you a little background about myself, my name is Keyon Corniffe Sr. And before entering the financial industry, I had to work 3 jobs from 3:45 in the morning to 11:30 at night just to provide for my family. And I hated that. Now with 10 years of experience, I've empowered many families, corporations, and organizations with financial information and making an impact with the intention to create 1,000 million years before my 50th birthday. I want to leave a legacy, and that's what I want to do here. But let's talk about this is the era of the entrepreneur. This is the era of the entrepreneur, guys, and you got to think about it. What is your plan? What is your plan moving forward? You see, the Great Resignation is going on. According to the CBNC, Americans are now leaving their jobs, and guess what? They want to seek entrepreneurship. In August, 4.3 million Americans have quit their jobs, and some people have left the workforce entirely. See, job security and better pay are one of the top concerns that many people have today. That's why a lot of people are later becoming an entrepreneur. So the great wealth wave, over $45 trillion of money is being moved. People are moving money is a great opportunity for you to also capitalize on. And that's why you want to become a financial educator. So let's talk about the perfect market. You see, we have a modern, cut-edge solution and strategies for all market demographics. We're talking about the millennials, we're talking about Generation X, the baby boomers, and seniors, right? Demographic with a whole lot of opportunities to help everybody. And as you can see, there's 82 million millennials, 64 million generational X, 76 million baby boomers, and 40 million seniors. And they all need some type of help. That's the reason why HGI, like no other business on this earth. Hubert Humphrey, our founder, of HGI Group International, with a clear and powerful vision of the future based upon his proven and past business model. Let me give you some history about who Hubert Humphrey is. You see, HGI pretty much provide an innovative financial solution to families throughout North America. HGI is a pretty much true financial one-stop shop. And HGI is one of the fastest growing independent financial services companies in the financial industry. HGI is one of the only company that's led by the person that helped build 2 separate billion-dollar market cap financial service companies, and that is Hubert Humphrey. So let's talk about the industry disruptors. Look at Amazon. They're not a retailer. They're owner of no products, but they're one of the top distributors. When you talk about Uber, own no taxis, but they're one of the biggest taxi companies today. Tesla. Tesla is one of the biggest companies for offering a wide variety of electronic cars. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. It's the same thing within the industry. In the 1980s, A.L. Williams, life insurance. He was the #1 in term insurance and #1 in mutual funds. And also with Hubert Humphrey, he created WMA in the 90s, where investments, they were the #1 in variable products and #1 in mutual funds. And also in the 2000s, WLG, World Leadership Group, mortgages, #1 in mortgages. So today we fast forward to the new disruptor, which is HGI. And it's leading by Hubert Humphrey, where the HGI Group International is here to once again create nothing but great things for families. So we teach people how to pretty much conquer their financial future. And that's why HGI, we empower people with financial education, and we teach them how to move their wealth from one side to the other of the spectrum. So you're going to learn about the Rule of 72, which is pretty much some basic principles on how money doubles over time. You're also going to learn the power of in the index contracts. So imagine, being able to participate in the successes of the market with a zero loss guaranteed. Also, you're going to learn about accelerated living benefits. All right. And this is where you're going to learn about life insurance that you don't have to die to use it. You're also going to learn about the wealth flow formula, right? So you're going to learn that your financial needs change over time and how to keep up with that. So there's a 6-step to financial security, and success begins with financial education. Guys, you're going to learn how to increase your cash flow, where you're going to earn additional income and manage your expenses. You're going to learn about debt management, where you're going to learn how to consolidate your debt and eliminate debt. You're going to learn about creating an emergency fund, how to save 3 to 6 months of your income to prepare for unexpected expenses. You're also going to learn about proper protection. You're going to learn how to protect your protection against any loss of income or, any family assets. You're going to learn how to build wealth, and you're going to learn how to outpace inflation, and you understand what is active money management. You're also going to learn about preserving your wealth, right? Avoid probate and reduce your taxation. So when you think about the rule of 72, what you got to do is that you got to divide the interest rate to pretty much estimate the number of years it takes for your money to double for you or against you. So imagine if you was able to put your money where you get 2%, your money will double every 36 years because you take 72 divided by 2, that's 36. So from 29 to 65, your $10,000 only doubled one time. If you got 4%, 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Your money will double every 18 years. So your $10,000 only doubled twice from 29 to 65. But if you learn where you can put your money where you get 8% or better, your money will be doubling every 9 years. So from 29 to 65, that money would have doubled 4 times and grew to $160,000. So the power of the index contracts, you see, many people sacrifice returns for safety, and other people sacrifice safety for returns. You see, index bring together the best of both worlds, where you don't have to sacrifice to get the growth, and you don't have to risk to make some gains. That's the greatest thing about the index strategy. You see, life insurance with living benefits. How long would $1 million last if you had a critical or chronic or terminal illnesses? Think about that. Because an adult daycare costs around $19,500. A homemaker services is around $51,000 plus dollars. How about home health aid? Over $52,000 plus. How about assisted living facilities? Over $48,000 plus. Nursing homes, $90,000 plus. Nursing home, if they're private, $100,000 plus. So guys, you got to keep all these expenses in mind. And that's why life insurance, think about life insurance that you don't have to die to use it. So imagine being able to have an access to your life insurance death benefit instead of using your lifetime savings for covering chronic, critical, and terminal illnesses as well. So the United States national debt right now, the national debt is rising, guys, and it's rising at an alarming rate. It is going through the roof. And when you think about the top federal tax rates, what do you think will be happening? What do you think going to happen with the taxes over the future? Do you think taxes will go up, or you think it will go down? So that's why you got to learn about tax-free retirement. You see, guys, you can pay your tax now, or you can really pay tax later. It's just a matter of your decision. When do you want to pay taxes? So you got to learn about what it means to be tax deferred, like in the 401k or IRA. This means that the money is pre-tax dollars and pretty much tax deferred growth. Your contribution are limited. Also, you got an IRS 10% penalty for early withdrawals. You have RMD age to 72. 50% excess tax if your RMD are not taken. If you don't take the money by your 72th birthday, you lose 50%. Includes in your estate. All right. So if you don't have a will in place, that's going to be considered estate planning, or lack of it. And guys, let me tell you something. Withdrawals may cause Social Security to be taxed as well. So that's why when you learn about tax-free, how to get tax-free distribution of money, that's why you're using life insurance, because that's after tax dollars, tax deferred growth, no contribution limits, no IRS 10% penalty for early withdrawals, no RMDs, no excess tax, no, not included in your estate, and does not, and it will not affect your Social Security taxation. How awesome is that, guys? So it's just a matter of the fact that, in your tax deferred bracket, 100% taxable distribution, and you're going to be taxed 100% on distribution at an unknown future income tax rate. But within the life insurance, you will get 0 tax on qualified distributions, guys. So that's why we, in the insurance and annuities with living benefits, guys, we have a wide varieties of services that we offer and products within term insurance, index universal life insurance, survival life, guarantee, universal life insurance, final expense insurance, fixed index annuities, and single premium paid annuities. And as you can see, we work with some of the top companies in the industry like AIG, North American, Athene, Nationwide, FNG, just to name a few of them. So one of the things that we also offer for a lot of our partnership is that you have actually access to non-licensed products as well. They don't require a license to offer, where we have access to real estate and land banking, estate planning, wills and trusts, merchant credit card services, and active money management as well. So the world-class HGI opportunity is here for you to win at your biggest and at the best at all time. So we offer a risk-free business opportunity, guys, where most people dream of building their own business and control their own destiny. So there's a low startup cost. It's only $199 to get you started as an independent contractor and associate with HGI. And pretty much it requires you to get a state licensing fees, and those vary depending on the state that you live in. There's no franchise fees, guys. HGI is not a franchise and does not charge any franchise fees. No loss of job security. You can start on a part-time. You can start on a part-time basis while you still keep your job. You can earn while you learn here. No experience is necessary because HGI, we offer people from all backgrounds of opportunity to build a professional business on their own. And like I said, you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. See, we have a world-class technology. See, with HGI, you have the access to a great technology, including our, a strong back office and pretty much our mobile app, our social media business accelerator with Cyber Zeus. It's an amazing platform, guys. And once again, that comes within your membership. So world-class training and events, guys, we have our yearly conventions. We have multiple academies for you to learn from the best of the best, so that way you could be the best. And at the end of the day, you get world-class national recognized speakers to come out, people like Grant Cardone, who's a best-selling author, entrepreneur, and social media expert. People like Tom, who's pretty much one of the greatest out there when it comes to economics, a retirement expert and author of one of the best-selling books, including Paycheck to Paycheck. So these are just John Maxwell, one of the greatest motivational speakers, best-selling author for over 40 books, including the 21 laws of leadership. So guys, I just want to tell you that we're here among some of the best, and you get access to this. We have a world-class rewards and recognition program. We've been doing this for years and years, and you could be a part of that as well, guys. And we have a world-class dream destination around the world where if you work hard, you will be able to take your family to places like Rome and Paris and Hawaii and many, many more great destinations that we have planned for the future to come. So when you think about our world-class infinite compensation plan, see, HGI has a multiple ways for its associates to earn income. Now, take very good notes. Number one, you could earn personal production income on your own pen. You could also earn income from field training income. You could earn income from overrides. You could also earn income from agency expansion income. You also could earn income from residual and renewals. You could also earn income from equity share credits as well. Guys, this is just a few. When you think about the fact that we can have personal production if you help a family with a typical life insurance products if they need. So this is going to be an example of a hypothetical situation where, let's say that you help someone to save $250 a month as far as towards saving towards their future. As an associate at a 45% contract, you would earn $1,350 per contract. If you are a marketing director at a 60%, you will earn $1,800 per contract. And as a regional marketing director at an 80%, you will earn $2,400. Once again, just helping someone to learn where they can save an extra $250 a month towards their retirement. So at the same time, guys, build a marketing team. All right. And as a marketing director at a 60%, you could make an average income, a potential income of $129,000+ per year. And if this is you just focusing on developing a team and help a total of 10 families per month. Also, as a regional marketing director at 80%, you can make anywhere as a potential earning of $316,000+ per year by developing a team and help a total of 20 families monthly with between you and your business partners. So guys, that's what's so amazing here. And the fact that we have the leadership format system. See, our system is proven and it's predictable and it's profitable. It's self-replicating, self-motivated, and self-financed. Guys, we have a great future because we have a great history. When you talk about $2 billion plus in field payouts, $20 million in sales, 2.5 million associates, launched 2 separate billion-dollar market cap companies, twice #1 in the industry sales. Guys, you run the system and the system will build your business. And that's what's so powerful about our system format. So getting started is easy. All you have to do is join, becoming an HGI associate for a one-time membership fee of $199. All right. You will be paired up with some of the best trainers that you will help you to get off to a fast start in our company. Own as well. Begin your journey and start your own financial independent plan. All right. And take advantage of the financial education that you will be teaching people as well. And then share, guys, help others learn about becoming financially independent by sharing our products, concepts, and business opportunity. So that's what the Hedgeman Group International have to offer, guys. If you have a dream, we have the vehicle to help you start winning the money game. So at the end of the day, guys, my name is Coach Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator, and I can't wait to start empowering you. I look forward to talking to you guys soon, and until then, talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. See you at the top.